We are here at Golfos Waterfall. So we're currently morning. Hi guys, welcome back dito sa channel ko. We are currently in Switzerland, but we are going somewhere special. We are going to Iceland, as you can see on the title of the video. This is a very special trip for me because this is the start of 2025, the start of our travel period for the 2025, and it is to a special place, Iceland, and hopefully we will see the Aurora Borealis. And I'm together with my friends Denise and Mark from London. And then nag-rent na kami ng camper van. But let's see how this trip goes. I'm very excited. Let's start the new year with a bang. And hopefully ma-edit ko yung mga videos na to. So for today's trip, for this week's trip. So this is the first week of January. Next week I'll be working for busy season. So I really need this one to recharge myself. And I'll be working for a long time after this one. So let's see. And tignan na lang natin. So let's go, guys! Then, alam mo, pagkarating ko dito, tapos color white lahat, punyeta, kala ko.
Sabi ko, ay, nasan yung landing area? Sabi ko nga.
Kaya nga parang first time ko mag-landing sa yellow, but anyway. Ayun ko na, hi Mark!
Ano?
Tumatawag pala siya sa'yo.
Tumatawag siya ako.
Ako, tatlong na kayo kung sakali.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Habang kumakain sila. So for today's video, we are going to Iceland with, of course, the fabulous couple, Denise and Mark. So hi, how are you?
Hello.
Hello.
Sabi nga nila, let's start the year with a bang. With the spam. So kumakain ng spam ngayon sa sa airports. So we're excited about this trip. Sana hindi kami mag-away-away. Kung may mag-aaway man,
Kami yun.
magkakampi kami ni Mark, kalaban ka din. Sorry. We're just waiting for our car rental service. So susunduin kami dito. So let's go. Happy New Year, guys.
Happy New Year.
Recommend to put like something more on your body, especially by the night time. So we have like sleeping bags, and we have also duvet packages.
Okay. It's either the duvet or the sleeping bag. Which one?
Winter just means broken doors. So when you are opening doors in Iceland, you have to always keep it with your hands. Never leave them open, okay?
Okay.
Because this type of damages are not covered by any insurances in Iceland. And your camper van is quite big, so especially in the front side of the camper and the back side of the camper, like the doors are really big. Just keep it always with you, okay?
Pinapatay ko.
Oo. Ganda, no?
Love na dito.
Ito yung drive ko sa Pilipinas.
Hi guys, so as you can see on the video, we rented a camping van. This is the most efficient way to travel here in Iceland. Since we also wanted to chase the northern lights, we never booked a hotel. So here, our first stop is actually the Reykjavik city, just to have some groceries, souvenir shopping, and as you can see on the video, there are so many local shops that you can find here. Actually, if you see Iceland on the world map, it's very isolated and some of the imports are really hard to get in. So that's why it's a little bit expensive, I would say, here in Iceland. It's kind of same level as Switzerland, to be honest. Here, we have the 66 North as well. So medyo marami. One big street, shopping street dito. So ayan. I need to find a boots. Ang cute din ng kanilang mga shirts. Iceland. Hi guys, welcome back. Super lamig naman dito. So ito nga pala yung Rainbow Street dun sa likod ko. Plus yung church doon sa Lutheran Church. Joe, branded na.
Oo, nag-aala ko.
Ano?
Na parang may gumagana sa mukha ko.
So one interesting fact about Iceland is that there are no mosquitoes here or wala talagang lamok dahil nga sa sobrang lamig. Also, as you can see on the video, we did a grocery shopping for actually 4 days. Bumili kami ng tubig, ng mga sausages na pwede namin kainin, as well as rice because we can cook inside the camper van. And also, we did taken picture on the church behind us. Hi, good morning everyone. So it's officially our day 2 here in Iceland. And then, nag-decide na lang kami na campsite dito sa may Reykjavik. So anyway, ito yung campsite nila. So may pagkain. Ayan. So kumain kami ng breakfast. Of course, nagluto kami. And ito si Den. Hi, Den.
Hi,
hello.
good morning.
How was your sleep? Not so well.
Malamig. Not so well nga.
So yan. Anyway, we're here at the campsite. Ayan si Mark. Hi Mark, how are you?
I'm good. Good morning, vlog.
Good morning vlog. So ayan, so dito pwede ka magluto and actually pwede ka din, ayan, may food for sharing, of course, we are Pinoy. So kumuha kami dyan, yan yung ginamit namin. So sana pala hindi na tayo bumili ng oil, yan na lang yung binili natin, kinuha natin. And anyway, meron din siyang liguan doon and shower and may laundry area. So
Hello. Good morning.
good morning. So it's officially our day 2 here in Iceland. So then explain mo saan tayo pupunta.
Punta tayong Golden Circle.
So we're going to Golden Circle. So and then magsa southern or northern. Southern part kami later. So it's currently around 8:24. It's still dark. Yung sunrise is mga 10 or 11. So let's see kung ano makikita natin. Kung ano lang, kung darkness lang makikita natin. So anyway, let's go. So ito yung camper van na pinuntahan namin. So let's go. Hi, good morning everyone. So ito, nagpark na kami dito sa may national park dito. Hindi ko na mabanggit kung ano, but I'll be putting the name here. Anyway, it's currently around 9 ata, and then magsistay kami dito until sunrise. Magbabayad lang kami ng parking. So the parking is around 7 to 8 euros, I guess. Kasi medyo malaki yung aming sasakyan. Pero kung makikita nyo, parang nasa moon na nagsusnow. So ganun siya, parang desert siya. Ito pala yung VC or WC or the water closet here in Europe. So pag nagtatanong kayo, nasan yung CR? Where's the CR? Pag hindi sila alam yon, ang alam nila is toilet or the water or the WC. So, nakakatuwa dito kasi ang dami, ayan, lumilipad yung buhok ko. Ang daming sasakyan. Ayan, tignan nyo. So, camper van siya pero laki ng gulong. So, let's see kung ano makikita natin dito. Hi guys. So, we're currently... Nasan kasi tayo din?
Hindi ko alam kung pronunciation ko eh.
Basta National Park ng...
UNESCO Heritage to.
Okay.
Natural Pink Vanilla or Ting Vanilla.
Okay.
Yung pronunciation. Butler. It's Ting Butler.
Parang hindi ko kayang dalhin dito yung magulang ko. Hi guys, so a little bit trivia lang. So habang nandun si Denise sa likod. So this natural park was the oldest parliament site. And makikita nyo din dito, may pagsiswimmingan daw dito na parang lake. So it covers 2 continents. You have the North America as well as the Eurasian tectonic. So ayun siya. Yan yung view namin. So it's currently around 10:15. Hi guys, so since I'm touring you around Iceland, I can give you some interesting facts about the geography of Iceland. Number 1, did you know that Iceland is the land of fire and ice? Iceland is home to both glaciers and volcanoes. Second, Iceland has very few forests. Walang kagubatan dito. It's because of the deforestation as well as, of course, yung harsh climate nila, no? Para kang nasa loob ng freezer pag nandito ka. And number 3, as I've mentioned before, it's one of the only places in the world where you can see 2 tectonic plates above sea level. That's the North American as well as Eurasian plate. And number 4, due to its volcanic activity, Iceland has an abundance of geothermal energy which provide nearly 90% of homes with heat and water. And lastly, there are no land borders here. Hindi ka pwede pumunta dito nang wala kang nililiparan ng aeroplano. So guys, ito na yung aming geyser. It's a volcano.
Hot spring.
Hot spring na pala. Hi everyone. So we are currently at Geysir. So these are the hot springs here in Iceland. They are famous because of their because of the eruption na nangyayari doon. So actually, ito siya. Daming tao. But it's so nice. Ayan yung hot spring na pinakamalaki. And then, sudden na lang yung interruption niya. So, yan. As in, talagang mataas.
Nakita ko doon. Sensya kapag ayun na.
Oh my God. Guys, sobrang lakas. Sobrang laki, guys. It's the hot spring. Ayan, sobrang laki. Iceland is the 46th country that I've visited. I've been to different places, impressed by their monuments and history, but never I imagined that Iceland will give me surprises because of natural phenomenon. It was a different feeling, a surreal feeling. Tingin kayo dito. Okay na.
Nag-spring na nga lang, blend up.
Hi, boss. Boss Mark. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Geysir. Ayan, 80 to 100 degrees daw yung tubig. So, medyo pag yan butas, ibig sabihin mga ano yan, yun, mainit. And then, Geysir comes from the Icelandic word Geysir, which means to gust. So, ayan. Tapos yung mga hot spring dito. Actually, hot spring yan na sumasabog. Over 10,000 years na sila. So, isipin mo yon 10,000 years. So, kung makita nyo, ayan. Ayan siya, guys. Hi guys, so we're currently at Gulfos. Yan, dun sa waterfall. It was designated as a nature reserve in 1979 to allow public to enjoy its unique nature fully. So ayan. So from the parking, we will walk around 10 minutes. I think so. Yan. Nagyuyokse pa yung mga ayan, hi Mark.
Hey.
Hello. And then, ayan. Let's see how far it is. Sobrang lamig lang. It's like -7 dito. And kung aura-aura ka lang ng damit, hindi pwede. So, you need to bring a heavy-duty one. So, kahapon nga bumili ako ng shoes. And, yon. So, ayan. It's currently around past 1. And we're just walking here. Sobrang lamig, guys. Yung rayuman mo, yung rayuman nyo. Hi everyone, so we are here at Gulfos Waterfall. Behind me is Denise and Mark, so ayan sila. So Gulfos Waterfall, in translation is the Golden Falls. Kasi kapag daw nire-reflect niya yung mist ng water dun sa sun, it turns into golden, it shines like a gold. So ayan, ito yung golden ano lang siya. So ayan, zoom ko lang. Ito yung Gulfos na tinatawag. So ayan. So, meron din siyang the protector of Gulfos. So, sabi nga noon, parang nire-resist siya for development. So, ayan yung protector ng Gulfos. Ayan, nilagyan siya ng parang plaque dito. And then, ayan yung hagdan papunta sa taas. Sobrang ganda. Not sure kung sunset, basta kung anumang sun yan. Kasi nga medyo late, hindi masyadong lumilitaw yung araw dito. So, 11 AM yung sunrise. Then, mga 4 pa yung sunset. So, ayan. Sobrang lamig dito, guys. Na magana ata yung nagkakabe. Na ata ako dito sa mukha. So, let's see. So, guys, ito pala yung nakikita namin habang nag-road trip kami dito sa Iceland. Although malayo yung pupuntahan, pero sobrang ganda. Wala kang punong makikita, para kang nasa buwan talaga. Ito nga pala yung camper van namin. So, kompleto na yan. Higaan, lutuan, pero wala lang siyang toilet. Ayan, so anyway, napahaba na nga itong video natin. Maraming salamat sa panonood. And sana makapunta kayo someday dito sa napakagandang lugar ng Iceland. So one of your bucket list dapat ito. Maraming salamat. Ciao!